Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify spill suppression for Chroma key in Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify spill suppression for Chroma key in Premiere Pro, begin by opening your project. Navigate to the clip that contains your green screen. Select the clip in the timeline. Go to the effects panel, typically located on the right side of the screen. In the effects panel, type Ultra key in the search bar. Drag the Ultra key effect onto your green screen clip. Now, look for the Effect Controls panel. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Ultra key settings. Click the eyedropper tool next to the key color option. Use the eyedropper to click on the green screen in the program monitor. Adjust the settings under the Ultra key effect to improve your keying. Focus on the settings labeled Matte Generation, Matte Cleanup, and Spill Suppression. For spill suppression, increase the amount gradually to see the effect on your image. Watch for color spill around your subject while you adjust the settings. If the color spill reduces without affecting your subject, you've achieved a good result. Continue fine-tuning the other settings if necessary for optimal results. After completing the adjustments, play the footage to review your work. Ensure your subject appears natural and the background is transparent as intended. Save your project once satisfied with the final result. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.